So I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to do an intro to this video. So you're about to watch me replace rubber bushings in lower control arms with urethane bushings in the lower control arms of 73 to 1987 Chevrolet trucks, two-wheel drive. I'm also gonna press in the ball joints to replace those so that our customer can have a completely rebuilt set of lower control arms for his hot rod truck. If you're new to the channel, thanks for giving us a view. Press like, subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoy what we do here. We're just a small shop that does all sorts of weird stuff, so we like to share some of it with you guys because some people keep telling us that they like to see what we do in the shop. So this is one of our little bits on LCAs for old Chevy trucks. Hope you enjoy. Sometimes your bit's all worn down because you've been beating on stuff with it. There. Better. Had to make a phone call. That's why nothing ever gets done. We're just gonna burn them out. It smells great.
Oh, I bet it does. Smoking that whole shop.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Again.
Again. You're smoking up the shop, a-hole. That guy's out. Let's knock this other guy out. Ugh, I should be wearing gloves, so I'm going to be covered in schmutz. There's my split on the inner ring. Try and spread the split without damaging our threads. Getting hot. Gross. This is about the time all you guys at home are thinking, I'm just going to go buy new control arms instead of doing all this stuff. So, wire wheeled off my pivot shaft. Oh. That's still a little warm. Still a lot warm. We're not going to do that yet. Let that guy cool down. Put that guy in the trash. Oh, my gloves are failing already. Hey Austin, come here and hold this awkwardly.
That's just what I was thinking.
You're gonna want gloves.
I literally just took my gloves off. Yeah, but now they'll be all sweaty. Yeah, I know.
Now they'll all be nice and sweaty and hard to put back on. If I was smart, I would use the press, but I'm trying to do this in a way that everybody else is doing it in their garage who doesn't have a press. Well, I already cheated because I use the acetylene torch, which is by far the easiest way to get these out. Because we reuse this setup reuses the sleeves that are factory installed, so you have to remove the rubber from it. So if you don't have a torch, like you're spending an hour drilling them out with a drill so that you can get them out, it's horrible. It's a horrible job. Just buy new control arms.
Yeah. But if you want the original stamped steel ones.
But if you want original stamped steel ones, why would you be putting urethane in?
Because nobody's gonna see that. Yeah. How did he break his elbow? Well, you see.
one is done. And that's replacing rubber bushings with urethane bushings. Still got to put the ends on, but he didn't bring me those. So I'll let him stick those on. When you tighten those down, it'll lock everything into place. Oh. It takes a good couple of hours to do this job, start to finish. Probably a half an hour of that will be cleaning up the mess I made. But that's working on cars. All gonna press. So there you have our little bit on installing urethane bushings and ball joints into the lower control arms of the 1973 to 1987 Chevrolet two-wheel drive trucks. Basically there's a big washer and a nut that goes on each end of this, but he didn't bring me those, so I'm not going to install them. But everything's pretty straightforward. You get the bushing to release from the outer sleeve, remove all your parts, clean out the original sleeve, put your new bushings back in. Very time consuming, not really a fun job to do, but the benefit of the urethane bushings is totally worth it. You can do this at home. Some guys will take a drill and they'll just drill all the way around and use a drill to release the bushing. Propane would probably get it hot enough. It would take a while. MAP gas would be better, still take a while. Acetylene is extremely hot. Acetylene torch works great for stuff like this because it just, you could see how quickly it released the bushing from the metal sleeve. So anyway, it's time to call this customer, tell him to come pay his bill, pick up his parts, and he can move on with his build. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe. Leave us a comment. In the meantime, have a great day. We'll see you later.